May 3, 1:30. So people are busy with the tobacco leaves. It's really hot. So with the tobacco, we moved the tobacco from the field the here. It's because of the rain. It's gonna be rainy season. So we're using these wires to hang the tobacco. Huh. I'll have to see how to improve this. It's really hot. Very, very hot. Crazy hot. So I'm here at the tobacco field. We are not done with priming 2. Now, when I was talking to Claude, the leaves are large, and so the barns may not be sufficient. The 6 or 7 barns that we built up, so we'll need to adjust. So the leaves are really turning yellow. I suppose it's good. It's one of those unplanned or unforeseen things. I mean, you don't know what you don't know until you know. So, I mean, here we haven't done priming 2. Only, I think just this part is done priming 2. So, a bit of a challenge. So here we only done priming 1. So what to do? Actually, it's good and bad. So I guess we'll take it day by day and see what happens. Adjust accordingly. That's all you can do. So I'm going to visit Janelle's tobacco field. So I finally asked Claude what's wrong with it. So his Virginia, some part of it is brown color leaves. So yesterday, actually maybe yesterday, a couple of days ago when I went to visit, I didn't see that. So I'm just gonna go there and do a walkabout and see what he was talking about. The time is 2:20. I walk about a kilometer away from my tobacco field. So what is it that Jean-Claude was saying? The leaves are turning brown. I guess that's turning brown. Maybe he's referring to these. So brown is not good. It should be yellow. But some of my tobacco is also turning brown. So not sure exactly what it is. But yeah, some of the leaves are turning brown, but not a lot. So is there room for concern? Well, if it's not yellow, then yeah, it's a room for concern. So, gotta ask Claude again what it's referring to. Those leaves with spotted brown or what? because I notice in my tobacco field some of them are doing that too. Man, it's hot. The river meanders east. I used to bring my water buffalo here to feed when I was 6 or 7 years old. I used to enjoy it when I was a kid. Oh, hot. So, yeah, now I'm walking back about a kilometer back. That's fun a minute. Thanks for watching.